Okay, this video will explain how to activate your district-provided Google account. All students and teachers have an MUHSD.org Gmail address and Google Apps account. And we are going to begin using this much more in our district than we will Microsoft Office. The first thing you need to understand is that Google Apps will work much better in the Google Chrome web browser than it will in Microsoft Internet Explorer. So we're going to use Google Chrome. If you don't see it on the desktop, go to the Start menu, Programs, and then find the Google Chrome folder and then the Google Chrome icon and click on that. To activate your account, you need to start at the school web page. So if you go to lhswolves.org, that is the shortcut to the library web page. And then if you click on the home button in the gold toolbar up here, and then you want to go to the students area. And there's a link to Google right here, but that is the one you're going to use after you have activated your account. For first-time account activation, you need to click here where it says activate your Google account here. And it will bring you to this web page. This is the one and only time you'll need to use this one. You're going to put in your username, which is your first initial, the first letter of your first name, then your last name. If you have a double last name, it should just be the first part. And then you're going to put in your ID number. For your password, you're going to put in your birth date. It needs to be in the form of an 8-digit number. So 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and then 1990, whatever your birth year is. You got to put in the 19 for the year. I'm going to uncheck Stay Signed In, and then I'm going to click the Sign In button. This will take you to the Google Terms of Service page. You can read that if you want to. It's a lot of technical and legal jargon, but after you've read it, you're going to go to the bottom, and you need to read these funny letters here and type them in. TARPERYOP. If you do it wrong, it will just give you another one to do. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it right because they're very difficult to read. Once you've done that, now you're into your Google account. The first time you log in, this is the black navigation bar here for Google Apps. It'll say Documents. When I click on that, it is going to take me to my Google Drive. You may get a little pop-up that asks you to click on Continue to Google Drive, but this is basically your home page. This is where you're going to do most of your work. Up at the top, you see links to mail, calendar, sites. The mail is email, but it is restricted to use only in our district and to colleges and universities. So you cannot use this to communicate with people in other districts or friends who live in different places. This mail should be used only for school stuff. The sites we'll be using to create senior portfolios. Your senior portfolio will be a website. To create a document in Google Drive, you would just click on Create, and then you choose the type of document you want. Document is word processing like Microsoft Word. Presentation is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, and spreadsheet is similar to Microsoft Excel. And when I choose one of the documents, it will come up. All of my documents come up as untitled document. To manage my documents better, I need to make sure I change that document. And so I would click on the title there and then type in a title for it. When I do something in Google Docs, it automatically saves what I'm doing. Every time I click a key, it goes to saving, and then it'll tell me all changes are saved. When I close the document and then I go back to my drive, there's the document I just created. And that works the same for spreadsheets and for presentations. Okay. You do want to make sure that when you're done using your account, you click on your username up here and then choose the sign out button. Let me get rid of that pop-up there. You want to make sure you sign out of Google Docs before you walk away from the computer, otherwise you may stay logged in for the next person. Anyway, that is how you activate your Google account. The next time I want to use my Google account, all I have to do is go to google.com and use the sign in button right up here. When I sign in, I need to put in my entire email address. So that includes the at MUHSD.org. And then I left my password as my birth date, so 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, 4 digits for the year. And I want to remember to uncheck stay signed in and then sign in again. I'm not going to worry about syncing. Now the second time I drive in, I log in, it doesn't say documents, it says drive instead, which is what it will say from now on. And there's my sample document that I made. And if you have any more questions, see Mr. Doyle in the library, or Ms. Snyder can also help you.